1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Hello everybody. So happy to be here. There I am. So I've just woken up and this has finally just been sold. It was released at midnight. But here we are. We can finally get into some long-awaited Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to die a lot. But let's try to earn some trophies before everyone becomes amazing at this game. Let's just hit play. We're just diving right in. I'll play as a victim. Do you think you'd rather play as the family first?
Been captured by the Slaughter family, tied up, tortured, and left for dead. You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs. Find your friends. Hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scrap, and health. But more importantly, locate and open up escape routes before it's too late. The family is hunting, so move quietly and make the right decisions. Your life depends on it. Stay quiet and hidden. Move slowly and carefully to avoid making excessive noise. Use shadows and tall foliage to stay hidden. Take cover behind tall objects to break line of sight. And last but not least, use the environment to your advantage. Wall gaps, crawl spaces, and unique hiding spots like freezers, armoires, and even vehicle trunks can be used to evade the family. Use them. Watch out for objects that make noise. Moving too fast through the environment can spell disaster. Searching for items slowly will drastically increase your chance of survival. Even moving too fast through doors can give away your location, so stay calm and move quietly. The family is always listening. Find useful items. Tools can be used to break locks on doors. Health items can heal you, while bone scrap can be used to sneak attack, or even confront the family directly. These items can mean the difference between life and death. You can only carry 2 items at a time, so choose wisely. Try to plan ahead. Unlock exits. The heavy metal doors almost always lead out of the basement. Find and open them. Once upstairs, keep moving if possible. There are multiple escape routes located on the outer edges of the property, so find a way to open them. Some escape objectives like the fuse box and water valve pump require specific items to activate them. These items can be found scattered around the property. Be on the lookout. Escape the family. Having trouble finding an escape option? When in doubt, head towards the main road or rear gate. Those are usually the easiest option, if you can get there. The water valve gate and the basement door exits are also available options if you can find the necessary parts to activate them. The basement door requires you to find and repair the fuse box, while the water valve gate needs the pressure valve handle to open. Once fixed, the escapes will open up for you and your team. Use your abilities to stay alive. Used at the right time, they can mean the difference between life and death. Be careful though. Star sign abilities have a cooldown that will prevent overuse, so plan wisely. Remember, you have been captured, beaten, and tortured, so so your injuries are severe. You need to escape before you succumb to your wounds. As the match continues, you will start to bleed out more and more. Be wary of leaving blood trails behind. You can be tracked. Health items can slow this process, but you can't stop it. Escape is the only option. Finding fellow victims and working together is recommended, but not required. Grouping with teammates can have a multitude of advantages, but your total noise output might also increase. Choose your strategy wisely. The only question is, who will survive, and what will be left of them?
There's a lot to this game. So, I have noticed with my videos lately, especially for Psycho Breaks, that's what I've been focusing on, the game audio has been too loud and everything, so I've been communicating through the video, and a mass majority and everything of what I say isn't even being heard. So I have lowered this game's audio quite a fair bit. It's just above halfway. 13.5, I think that is, or 18.5. I think that's a 3. Yeah, so I had a very rough night. Have not been able to sleep very well. It's just been a very weird state I've been in. It's been very uncomfortable. Error code. What is happening? I'm sure everything's fine. I'm sure I can still appear offline and access. Let's go to settings quickly. Setting network. Yeah, I'm connected. Internet connection test will start. If you're playing an online game, you might lose connection within the games. Okay, we'll start. I've got to check it anyway, because, yeah, connection's working fine. So, what is the problem? Is there like internet ping time is too large to play? I'm sorry, what? Let's try one more time. Oh my lord. Can I be part of the family? Is that what you're trying to tell me? No, because you'll probably just play how to play as a quick match.
Part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family's way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map, or by attacking victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood to Grandpa to make him stronger and more effective. The stronger he is, the more powerful his sonar ability will become. Pretty soon he'll be finding and highlighting victims for the whole family to see. Feed Grandpa enough, and he'll give the family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the match. Remember, Grandpa is the best killer that ever was. Hunt down the victims using abilities and teamwork. Look for signs of movement and listen for noise. Pay attention to your surroundings and Keep your eyes and ears open. You never know where one of those victims might be hiding. Speaking of abilities, each family member has a unique ability that can help hunt and track down victims. Careful though, some abilities have limited quantities, while others are on a cooldown. So hunt wisely. Once you locate or find a victim, make sure you have a plan. Try to set up ambushes or catch them off guard. The direct approach isn't always the best, so use your fellow family members when possible. But once your plan unfolds and you get them within range, hit them. Then hit them again. And remember, if you do manage to successfully hit or execute a victim, take that blood to Grandpa. He's hungry and needs his strength in order to help you. Oh, don't let a single victim escape. After all, we win as a family or we lose as a family.
Wait, so you're telling me that if a single person escapes, we lose the entire match? Really? So at least with like Dead by Daylight and everything, like you get different killer ranks if someone like lives. Oh, what the hell, man? Can I change like where I'm coming from? Options, speaker, video, input, game, well, okay. Leatherface, Cook, Hitch, Hiker, Johnny, Sissy, Connie, Leland, Julie, Anna, Sonny. Pardon me, stats. And unlockables. Okay, well, I'd like to actually play the game. I'll try family, funny match. What the hell, man? Oh, that's private. Sorry. Add a party, join a party. Quick match. Okay. Okay. I need to know what code that is. This is ridiculous. PlayStation error code 0x00100B. And that B is capital. This error can occur if you have been disconnected from the Rainbow Six Siege servers. If you encounter this error message, please check if there is an ongoing degradation or maintenance banner on the Ubisoft support website. Okay. What the hell, man? Can I change like where I'm coming from? Well, okay. Leatherface, Cook, Hitch, Hiker, Johnny, Sissy, Connie, Leland, Julie, Anna, Sonny. Okay. The fuck? I'm incredibly lost here. Let me check my downloads, make sure that it's not downloading another segment. It's fully installed. Close. Check for update. Latest version's already installed. So let's play. Yep, I already know. Come on, please work. I've been excited to play this for months, like ever since I saw that it was becoming a thing. So I think it's been on my list for like 3 months. June, I think. So okay, I'm gonna have to like, can I not even change the region? Internet ping time is too large to play. The hell do you mean, man? Tutorial options. There was nothing to change in options. I can't change region, it's not even a thing. Crossplay, yeah. Tutorials. How to play as family, Leatherface, and small stuff. And then as victims. Yeah, I'm not fussed about that. Alright, I'm gonna try one more time. Okay, can I create a lobby? It's private and not what I want, but I want to see if that's even possible. Okay, create. Private lobbies require a game party of 4 players. Please select party options from the play or main menu to create a party. So I can't even create a party until I've got like a full squad. Okay. Well, there's nothing I can do, guys. I apologize. I'll get in contact with PlayStation and see if they can help me actually get a game going. So, yes, not the greatest start to something that I've been really keen for, but it is only freshly released like the past 9-10 hours, so there's going to be bugs and glitches and stuff, but yeah, that's certainly a bummer. Either way, thank you for joining, and once I get everything sorted and I can actually get in the game, we'll be in a live stream. So this is a pre-recorded video, and then we'll live stream. So stay safe, take care of yourselves, and see you then.